Hello. So it's time to learn how we can double your Young Living laundry soap. So Young Living's laundry soap is around $29, I think, and saves a lot if we can make it go a little longer. So here we go. What we're gonna do is I've already split my Young Living laundry soap in half. I put half in here. So what I did is I saved my bottles because I like to reuse, and I love that these are nice and small, not heavy too, and less waste because Young Living's home products are so, and personal care, are so concentrated and thick. Let me just show you how thick this laundry detergent is. It's really thick. Oh, by the way, do you see this? You only need 1/4 of a cap per load if you have a high efficiency laundry or a washer, and 1/2 a cap up here if you have a regular washer. So I like to put a little line right there so it reminds me. Okay, so it's very thick. So it doesn't hurt to dilute it. And I've been using it diluted for a while and it works great. So what all you need to do is, I already removed half, and then I'm going to add 3 capfuls of Thieves Household Cleaner just as a boost, and that kind of would make it like $3 more. I'm going to use my funnel because I don't like to spill. 1, 2, 3. Okay, get it all in there. And by the way, I was just telling my husband who's cooking dinner for us, he's so nice, that this is only our 2nd bottle that we've gone through, and we've been using Young Living products for over 2 years. And I'm going to show you a hack here. These Young Living bottles are very good quality plastic, and what I do after I have an empty bottle is put a squirt bottle on so that you don't always have to use glass, or with the kids, stuff like that. So there you go. Okay, so this is optional. Put the Thieves Household Cleaner. It's just an added boost. And then after that, you're just going to fill the rest with water. And then shake it up a little bit. So about 16 ounces of water. And again, I'm going to use my funnel. Now, you kind of have to watch to see how deep you're going. Okay, not yet. A little bit more. It's getting soapy. Bubbles. Okay. There we go. And then put on the lid and kind of gently shake it like that. And there you go. I doubled it. Now it's going to last twice as long and still clean great and all toxin free.